We hope you learned a lot about H2O Wave through this starter course. You now know how to use the Wave documentation by visiting wave.h2o.ai. You also know how to set up your development environment. And finally, you also know how to write and deploy your Wave app. Through the previous practical application showcase of the YouTube chatbot, you also learned how to integrate H2O GPT with Wave. We highly encourage you to explore and contribute to our GenAI App Store by visiting genai.h2o.ai. Let's do a quick tour of this website. Once you go to genai.h2o.ai, you'll essentially reach this website right here. This is the GenAI App Store. It's a thriving community of AI enthusiasts, developers, and innovators who have created these AI-driven apps. You can explore our curated categories on the left-hand side. These go from public sector to financial services, to even business-focused applications. You could sort the applications by popularity, and you can click on any of these GenAI apps to open them. Note that you'll need to log in before being redirected to the chosen app. You can also understand the details behind each application's functionality by clicking the View Details button right here. So if you're interested in looking into the code of any of these applications, feel free to check out our open GitHub repository, where you can learn more about any of these apps, including the YouTube chatbot. And if you'd like to contribute to this app store, we highly encourage you to do so. You can build your own GenAI app, and all you need to do is upload your code into the GitHub repo attached below, and we'll be able to feature your app on here. We're super excited, and we look forward to seeing what you build.